You know, there's someone out there right now thinking, I'll just get gas in the morning. That's the devil talking. Alright. Who's that? I have really been digging blueberry bagels and cream cheese lately. And all I keep thinking is I should have eaten that first before doing this video. Doing a video hungry, probably a bad idea. But it's Dollar Tree haul time. I don't even want to waste any time in this intro either. Let me show you what I found. I'm actually going to be throwing up a picture, but hello, navy. I love this color. Rarely see this color at Dollar Tree. As a matter of fact, I should probably do another color in my color series Dollar Tree videos. If you're new to my channel, I actually have done quite a few videos where I just hauled like one specific color. I'll link all of those down below. I've done, what colors have I done? I've done pink, yellow, green, blue. Have I done purple? I feel like I've done purple. I even think I did a rainbow themed as well. But anyway, navy is such a hard color to find, and they have been putting out so much of it. Look how gorgeous this basket is. That's just crazy for $1. But they didn't stop there. They also had, I have to take a couple things out of here. They also had this cute little basket, which I've seen them do before, but I've never seen them do quite a collection like this. And I think that's what blew my mind about all of it. Like, just, are you kidding me? Okay, this is not a blue haul, but I got some more of this Suave shampoo. I hauled the apple and the strawberry and love it. I still have it in my shower. The strawberry is really awesome. I love the apple too. The apple is my favorite. But then I found the waterfall mist in the shampoo and conditioner. And you guys, it smells, oh, it smells so good. I mean, this is sold at Walmart probably for like 97 cents, so it's comparable to the dollar at Dollar Tree. It does say 24-hour fragrance. Yeah, smells the exact same, and I cannot wait to use this on my hair. It's definitely different from all the fruity stuff I'm always trying to do. So I'm very intrigued to find out what this smells like on me. Okay, then I found some more of that Bolero stuff. It just keeps popping up. I also found them doing shampoo and conditioner, and I saw it in the strawberry and pineapple, but I decided to pass up on it. It just didn't look right. I don't know. It had this look to the shampoo, like, because the bottle was see-through. I'm not making any sense, but I just decided to pass up on the shampoo and conditioner. But I think the bath salts is really cute. I love this packaging, and wow, it's such a good scent too, the strawberry and pineapple. I love it. Okay, next up, very random by the way on what I'm sharing with you. I found these heart latex balloons, but look at this. They are heart-shaped with confetti on the inside. You can do some really cute, like Valentine's Day tablescape or a gift basket. You could blow these balloons up and just kind of like string them to the basket of some sort. Oh my gosh. Or just decorate, like if you want to decorate, you know, like your bedroom or something with this, or like when, you know, your significant other kind of wakes up, maybe you could put it in their car with a cute little note, like a, you know, something like that. But I was just like, what? And you get 6 in here for $1. I think that's a really good price, because whenever you go to Party City, you know, their balloons are more expensive than Dollar Tree. Okay, this product is really interesting to me. I'm definitely going to be doing a couple of Dollar Tree reviews on my Instagram pretty soon. I want to do the Pond's products that I found for, what was it, Wednesday's haul, and I definitely want to try this out. It says it's a shadow switching sponge. Sponge cleaning tool that easily removes color from eyeshadow brushes so they can be used to apply a new color. What? I want to open this up right now, but I think I might use it in my thumbnail, so I don't want to open it, but I kind of want to open it. Okay, we're just going to table this for a minute, but I definitely want to review this and see how well it works. So that was a really interesting find. Okay, what's next? All right, we are going to go in for, let me just grab this over here. This is why I edit. All right, I found some new stationery. I mean, is that what we would call all of this? But it is Dr. Seuss, and it's so incredibly adorable. It would be really cute for a Valentine's Day gift basket, and the packaging is really cute. It's very obvious that it's Dr. Seuss. You got thing 1, thing 2, the fish, and these are what? Pencil grips. You get 6 of them in here. I was just like, okay, that's adorable. Here's another set. You can see the packaging is different. But the pencil grips are the absolute same. The same color, the same patterns. So just interesting why they would do that and put out different packaging color. I don't know. I really don't know. Then I found these, which are, oh, the packaging's kind of messed up, but it is erasers, but they look like the Dr. Seuss books. That is just epic. I think that is really cute. Never would I imagine something like this at Dollar Tree for $1. 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish, green eggs and ham, the cat in the hat, thing 1, thing 2, Horton Hears a Who, and I guess they did the cat in the hat twice, the blue one. What? And look, I don't know if you can tell, it's like a little book, but it's an eraser. Okay, what am I supposed to say? All right, then I found, what are these? Sharpeners. And the sharpeners are just too stinking cute and really blew me away that they were $1 each. You can see that the back has the sharpener here, and you get Horton right here. And I love the fun pops of color and outline. Very, very Dr. Seuss, if I do say so myself. I just, what? Green eggs and ham. That's probably my favorite one. But yeah, awesome, awesome finds for $1. Okay, then we're gonna move on to some women's socks. So did I show you guys already? I did. I showed you the pairs that I picked up for St. Patty's Day, and I remarked about how buttery the socks were. They've definitely been changing the material, and I'm here for it. This material is very different from what they've done before, and I love it. Look at, it's really hard to see the pattern, but it has a bear. You can kind of see the bear there, and his nose has a heart. What? And you get the cute little red hearts, the red heel, the red trim on the ankle. Love this pair. I'm gonna put it in my daughter's care package for Valentine's Day, which hopefully I'm gonna be able to film for you guys. I already started getting a couple of things. I'm just trying to figure out if I'm actually gonna do a Valentine's Day theme in terms of decorating. I probably will, but, and then this one is like a fox. I can't really tell what this is. Is that like a fox, you guys? But really cute. Yeah, there's the tail. Like the tail wraps around. Love, love these. They're so soft. It's crazy. Okay, then I found, when I was in the checkout aisle, I found a fortune pin, and the packaging is really cool. It's like you could give it as a gift, which I really like that. And then it tells you, excuse me, it tells you all the fortunes that you get, and they are all right here. Let it go, you got this, live, laugh, love, be happy, dream big, believe in yourself. Oh, I kind of wanted something like, you're gonna become a millionaire tomorrow, you know, you're gonna get married to Alex Pettifer, it's gonna happen soon. Or, you know, if it's Wednesday, it might be Peter Millark. Like, that's kind of what I was expecting, but all right, I'll take it. Okay, then, this is actually a smaller haul, but let me tell you, they put out this like new kitchen line of colors, and I am obsessed. But let me set it up real quick so that you guys can kind of see it. Here we go. So they have a display out that looks like this. The black, the gray, and this teal color. Yeah, teal. But something about these three colors together is so beautiful. I don't think I would ever do my kitchen in this color, but I still wanted it anyways as pot holders. Like, I don't care if those match my decor or not. And then they didn't stop there. They also did, let's see. I can't find the other one, but I have the green little, what are they calling these? Silicone glove. And the gray and the black. And they have it in the, oh, here it is. Wow, isn't that just super impressive from the Dollar Tree? I was just like, okay. And then they also have dish towels. So how hilarious. Actually, I was just watching these YouTubers. I don't know if you guys watch them, Joel and Leah. They're British and they do these really fun videos on, like, for example, things Americans say that Brits don't understand. And then, yeah. So anyway, the other day they did a video about phrases that Americans use that they would never use and don't understand. And they were so puzzled by the fact that we call these dish towels. And they call them tea towels. And I don't know, I think a lot of Americans call them tea towels too, but I've never heard the term tea towel. That was actually, I think, the first time that, and maybe not, maybe I think I have heard it before, but I've always referred to these as dish towels. But anyway, it was a really funny video. I will link their channel down below just in case like that's interesting to you. But you can see they're using that same color combo with the gray, excuse me. It seems like a really nice towel. It's not too thin, and it definitely looks like it would soak up water really well, which is like one of my pet peeves. I don't like buying towels if they're not gonna soak up water really well. And then this one has a little coffee theme. They also had some new coffee mugs as part of this entire display. I almost got it, but I was just like, okay, girl, like, the coffee mug situation's out of control in your house. But it was plain, it was white, but the shape was really interesting. Not like over the top unique, it was just a mug, but it was definitely a different shape than what I've seen Dollar Tree put out. But anyway, just to let you guys know, my Dollar Tree's been putting that out. Hopefully yours has too. And then the last things are some more of these candle, what do they call these? Fragrance warmers. And I hauled a couple not too long ago, but these stood out. I loved the like diamond cut shape of this. And then you put the little tea light in here, the little wax melt, and it will just kind of make the room smell great. And then these two look the same, but different colors. I think anything that is white like this is always going to be a steal because it's going to blend in and be really, and look really nice in a kitchen. And then they give you obviously some color options. I think they had another color, but I didn't get it, but these were my two favorite. All right, that was a shorter video for today, and I just realized that I haven't really been remarking on like my favorites of the haul, but I am doing a new series called Dollar Tree Favorites for the month, and I just did January's. So I'll link it down below so that you can just kind of see everything from January that I hauled that I really love. And then I'll do it again for February, March, and so on and so on. So, but I have to say, the thing I'm most excited for is the shampoo. I cannot wait to try this, and I'm especially intrigued by their claim of 24 hours. But you know, anyway, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go get that bagel, blueberry bagel and cream cheese because I'm starving. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.